Morning, it's Saturday 16th, about 10 to 8 in the morning, and guess what? There's spray in the sky. Of course, always around the sun, especially at sunrise and sunset. Seagulls have been really noisy lately. Look around this way. Look at that. It's right over there, trying to ruin things. You've got some coming up. You've got 3 of them just there. That's the lowest one. That's the next one. That's the other one. He's up there. They're having a wacky race. Well, I've walked around this field, right? It's probably taken, what, 20 minutes? Look at this. And I've filmed just about every single sprayer that's caused this. But really, this short clip just sums it up. You can see this haze, this layer of crap. It's artificial, it's been sprayed in, it's not cirrus cloud. These are not harmless chemtrails. This is pure evil. No fucker, sorry, has got the right to fuck with our sky. Jeez. And they're still going for it now, they haven't finished.